Just came by to look at my baby before I go. Man, you stay busy with work. Look at this. What's that?
Dental chair.
Dental chair. Did you do it or no?
Yeah.
Looks good. Look at that. Anybody need any dental work?
Yeah.
And a dental chair? Come see the stitching time.
Got a kick panel covered and
Okay, great.
in position.
Anybody need any canines? These are very obedient dogs. Okay. Look at that. Look. Looks good. Don't mind the trunk, it's nasty.
It's still nice.
You got one already?
I got one in there. I don't have the pod on it.
Okay. Well, I could do the pod when I get home.
Well, I'm thinking that maybe we can.
Man, that looks good. You said we can't?
I think maybe we can because we can move this out, position that pod here,
Yeah.
and then put some.
That looks good. That looks damn good.
It works out really nice, and it fills this here.
Man, for
Nice.
for it to be so complicated, you did a great job.
And you see this great big thing in the back that sticks in there. What a
I
mess.
can see that, but that looks damn good. I'll say that.
You got your little vent.
Yeah. Man, looks good.
Yay!
I ain't complaining.
Yay! And I gotta take down that. We got it.
Oh, I messed it up.
Yeah,
I got it
it's not-
backwards.
well, yeah, this isn't quite
Okay.
right, but yeah, we're good.
Okay.
And I'm on the second one. I don't know how we're gonna get this one in. Oh.
That looks good. We almost there. Shit, I think she did a good job. What y'all think, YouTube? Man. Man, she wrapped that thing pretty good. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that glove box. Man. Look like factory work to me.
Are you talking to me?
Talking to, yeah. Looks like factory work to me.
Yeah, pretty close.
All right, I just had to come look at her before I go. I'll be gone quite a while.
Gotta hug your baby for you.
Yeah, let me hug her. Let me hug her, you guys. Oh, I love it. It's my baby, I love it. Who cares who doesn't? It's my project. Yeah. All right, you guys. Come see Chris. Stitching time. These pretty dogs, man. Man, look at them. Better be careful though, cause they will tear a lining if you mess with that lady right there. Look at her. Pretty dogs. Say hi. Which one is this one?
That's Raymond.
Raymond?
Mischief.
Rain and Mischief. All right, we out of here.
All right, have a nice vacation.
Oh yeah, I forgot to tell y'all, these the pies that I got. She's gonna wrap these and then we're gonna put them. Let me show y'all.
You know, once these kick panels get in, I can put the sound deadener in and carpet goes in.
Yeah.
And then the back seat can go in, and the
Okay.
front seat can go in,
And then you can get rid of me then.
and the door panels go in.
Then you can get rid of me.
Well, I don't know if I'm going to get rid of you.
All right, let's see how this gonna look.
It's going to be tricky.
How about that, y'all? Yeah, it's kind of heavy too. Let's see.
And you see how it doesn't. Now it's got to have the big speakers. Got to go in the front.
Okay, like this.
Yep.
Like that.
Yep.
Oh, that look pretty good.
But here, you see this gap
Yeah.
here? We're gonna have some issues here with this gap getting this to. It'll go,
Yeah.
but you're gonna have to really finesse it.
Okay. All right. Okay.
I've been messing with it.
All right.
Give me that speaker.
All right, I'm going.
See,